The Australian Vogel's Literary Award is a truly transnational prize, with young Australian writers reflecting on the experiences of individual Australians in the wider world and examining Australian society as a microcosm of that world transplanted to our ancient land. Writers experimented with different genres: tense drama, the coming-of-age story, futuristic fiction, thriller, memoir, and Australian history. They embraced expected as well as eclectic settings: urban and outback Australia, the UK, countercultural America, Egypt, and Guatemala. The exploration of relationships dominates the shortlist. Deborah Thomas's Blue scrutinizes the stifling relationships of a religious cult in 1960s rural America before delving into the bohemian community of 1970s New York. Kushek Akek's Hopeless Kingdom plunges the reader into the lives of a Sudanese refugee family disintegrating under the tensions of adapting to a new life in Cairo and then Australia. Yet, in the midst of fraying family ties, new relationships are forged with neighbors in suburbia. This year's Vogel winner, Emma Batchelor's Now That I See You, is a sustained and sensitive portrayal of a love relationship cracking as a woman struggles to come to terms with her husband, Jay's, transition to a transgender identity. Recounted in the first person, the narrator's strong, direct voice expresses her raw emotional upheaval as she tries desperately to hold on to Jay. Yet we're also aware of Jay's fear and confusion in this gender transition, and her struggle to reframe a relationship she finds increasingly oppressive. In the midst of a global pandemic, this intimate portrait of a relationship under strain and the eternal question of what it means to love are topics that touch us all.